Hey you guys, and welcome back to Homeschool for Life. Today's a little video about what me and my homeschoolers did today. Homeschooling isn't just about bookwork or sitting behind a laptop. It's also about creating an environment where learning happens in all kind of different ways, big and small. Today my kids are learning through play, whether it's building blocks, solving puzzles, or strategizing in games. These activities teach them problem solving, creativity, teamwork, and critical thinking skills. That is just as important as anything they can learn in a textbook. And it's not just about learning, we're also creating memories and strengthening our family bond. When we make time for play, we're fostering an environment where curiosity thrives and our relationship grows stronger. Homeschooling gives us the freedom to weave all of this into our daily rhythm. Learning can be fun, and together we're showing that it truly is. If this is your first time here, you guys be sure to subscribe and thumbs up this video for more daily homeschool content, and we'll see you guys in the next one. All right, you guys, bye.